Uncertain of what the bench would decide, embattled Justice Anup Singh Choudry listened attentively as Justice Solomy Barungi Bbosa read the Court of Appeal ruling. Others on the quorum were Justice Remy Kasule and Richard Butera. And 30 minutes later, the long-awaited ruling was clear, setting aside a report by the Judicial Service Commission which challenged Choudry's appointment. The Uganda Law Society and others had complained, arguing that Choudry had been struck off a list of lawyers in the UK for fraud and other unlawful dealings. They argued that he was therefore not fit to be a judge. In July 2012, Justice Choudry filed an appeal challenging a ruling by High Court Judge Vincent Zeruchizi that the Judicial Service Commission had powers to unseat him without a hearing. The Court of Appeal justices overturned the ruling, saying Choudry was not given a chance to defend himself under the rule of natural justice as provided in the Constitution. The court also ruled that the tribunal that included Professor Frederick Sempebwa and investigated Choudry was biased since he was among the complainants.
Court ruled that Professor Sempebwa acted as a judge and at the same time the accuser because he sat on a panel that was handling the matter in which Justice Choudry was being challenged about his competence. And what compounded it all was the fact that Choudry was never informed about what was going on.
Choudry's lawyer, Jimmy Mayanja, earlier submitted that his client notified the commission about Professor Sempebwa's involvement, fearing he would influence the panel's decision against him.
It's an extremely good judgment. I have won. The report has been quashed. Judicial Service Commission had forwarded a bogus report to the President.
The main argument in our case was that the Judicial Service Commission had conducted the proceedings in relation to his lordship in a right manner. The court has decided otherwise, and that's a decision I think we shall respect.
But court dismissed one of the grounds of appeal, where Choudry's lawyers challenged the Attorney General after he submitted a report to the President against their client. Court ruled that the attorney was doing his job since he delivered it to the President after a decision had been made.
It is a good job that our Vice President did not act on it. Otherwise, there would have been grave miscarriage of justice.
President Yoweri Museveni appointed Choudry a High Court judge in May 2008. He was later posted to the Commercial Court and then the War Crimes Division. Analysts say this ruling could clear the controversy on whether Choudry, who is about to retire, should be given all benefits due to a retired judge. It's not clear whether the complainants will challenge the Court of Appeal ruling in the Supreme Court.
That's a decision for my superiors to decide.
Sudhir Biarhanga, NTV.